Hello everyone, this is Ivy from Shanghai Costco. Today we have 2 units of bulldozers here. You may notice that they are not standard one, but they are the forest version. You see, it has the open cabin and it falls with the protection guard, and we do the customization. Our customer asked us to change a wider clover. It is go with 610mm clover. Come, let's see the winch part. It go with 30 meters winch, very suitable for your forest walking. If you have any interest on this bulldozer, contact Ivy and we'll share more details. See you next time.